press the button? I'll try. It's different now. Here we go. Standard says for people who have not played Biohazard 4, and we have, but I don't think we're gonna make it a hardcore. Ruffians. Are you trying to punish us? No. Are you trying to punish us? Thank you for believing in us, though, Ruffians. It's okay. You can believe in us and still say standard, okay? I think it's scary. Whoa! What do we touch? Oh, it's her face. Gonna be. Oh, it's not gonna be okay. It's not gonna be okay. Why did it vibrate? Oh, it's her lipstick. That's it. Yeah. I would like to go back to the car. I think we should trade places. I tried. Yeah. I tried. Can you let me back? I couldn't find him. I would like to get back in the car. I'll go in the trunk. It's okay. But today I went on a walk. No! Don't go on a walk here. Okay. No. Oh, this is pleasant. Is it? It was at one point. Oh! Yuck! What am I looking at? Wait. I'm good. I don't need to look at that anymore. We should have chosen assistant. What? Better practice that run. Yeah, not sneezing, Moko-chan. Running. Not a good place. Is anyone home? Oh! Whoa! Someone's home! I guess that makes sense. It is a house. What? Something happened. I saw it. I don't think anything happened, but we both jumped really high. It's not locked. There's the teeth. The metal teeth. Oh no. It's okay. We're sorry we came in here. What's that? What is that? Something on the table. Oh, did it move just now? It didn't move. I think it's just a shadow. What is that? This isn't good. Get away! Why are you getting so close? Wow! We're no friends. Are we looking at Leon? There he is! Mr. Police? He's not doing well! Is this the right way? Maybe. It doesn't look familiar. It looks very scary! Am I prepared? Are you ready? Gun! Okay, head in the head! That's so much blood! Wait, Moko-chan, behind us! I don't know! I'm gonna go this way! Slowly open! It's locked! Moko-chan, it's locked! Okay, Daddy, Papa! Take it! Grandpa! Shoot! We're gonna die! Moko-chan, we got to heal! Open inventory is triangle. Okay. Yeah. I got him. Oh, you can see its stats. Oh, it's kind of hurting a little bit there. Knife. Don't stab the ruffians, Moko-chan. It's almost broken. It's okay. It's just a kitchen knife, right? Like a kitchen combat knife. Moko-chan. I am nature. I can't be stopped. I don't like that I can keep on hearing them. Right? They should speak in whispers so we don't have to be scared about it. There you are! There he is! Okay, come here, and then I'll get you. No! Nice! Right in the head! I got him right in the head. We gotta heal! Time to heal. It's official. Okay. You missed us. You did not miss us again! I missed! clean this up. Oh! Oh, not quite. There. Use the knife, Moko-chan. Use the knife. Really? Oh, we missed the opportunity. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, gosh. You. Oh! Okay, come on. Grab one. Oh, no, my knife is down for... Oh, goodbye, knife. Okay, it's just gun time. Let's make sure we get their heads. Okay, Moko-chan. Oh, why are you like this? Break. Oh, no. Okay, missed it with the gun. Yeah. Reload! Break. This isn't good. Oh, did we shoot after we got like... Okay. I'm gonna run. Let's run away. Oh, no. Okay, I'm good. I don't think we're good. Grandpa's over there. Oh, she punched me. Don't punch, Grandpa. What's happening? He has very interesting eyes. Look at his eyes, and I got distracted in his eyes. He has a bad ear. I got lost in his eyes. Can we shoot them? Is there a key in the room here somewhere? Maybe in that. He's gonna go to church. He's not. He's gonna push us to punch us. Why? I wasn't ready for that. Nobody's here. Nothing on this one. I don't think so. I'm gonna jump. Hey, how are we enjoying the countryside? It's nice when there's nobody trying to scare us. Scare us? Yes, they're just trying to scare us. Alright. It's okay. They're not trying to grab us and stab us and all that stuff. Should go up the ladder. Oh, he quite fast. Oh, I like ladder. Oh. It's a bit hurt.
We
Okay,
can
good.
get it.
Why? We're so excited. I think there's a lot of friends nearby, but... Where? Down! Oh my gosh. He is a boy. Push the ladder. Oh gosh. Big gun. Push the ladder down. Okay, when he comes back up, I'm gonna use the big gun. Quickly. Oh no, I missed. Is this it? Why? I died. Don't shoot. Oh, watch out. Crouching is a good idea, maybe. Okay. You. Okay, down. Oh, he's tossing stuff. Okay. Quick. Thank goodness he waited. Chew it. You want it? Chew it. Take that. Oh, no. You have a beard, so he's a bit stronger, right? Oh, I see. The beard gives power. Right. Oh, guys. You done? Are you done? No, he's not done. Why? He moved for me too fast. What? He's dusty. What? Hey. Okay. Can't climb, right? The jacket's killing. Oh, he can't come back up. He shouldn't be able to climb. What is he done? Why? Should we go take a peek? I don't want to take a peek. No. Oh, he's still there. You're done. Why is he like this? Use an egg. Use the egg. Oh my. So wait. They're throwing stuff at me. Moko-chan, we should probably run. I'm gonna go in the house. I died. Not quite. Thank goodness. I probably have to slash it. Slash. Is that gonna work? A bit closer. Slash. Ooh. Crouch and slash. Not knife. I did it right. That was a close one. Still not this far. Was it almost dangerous? It was. Oh, shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Stab it! Stab it! Press X. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait! Wow! I was expecting someone a bit more. Wow! Where did the color go? Oh. What's that? I know! What happened? Wait. Huh? Oh no! Why? My stuff. I better get back soon. I'm gonna try to parry. I did it! You did it, Moko-chan. Lots of traps. Oh, we got a trophy! He's silly. He laughs like Fuwa. Really? I'll give you this for free. Like that. I guess if the ruffians say that much then. But if I die, it's your fault. Got it. You're going to take responsibility for that, okay? If I die, it's your fault. The controller got wet. Make sure you wash your hands later, okay? I'll wash the controller off. That too. Do it. Grandma, stay still! Grandma, stay still! I need to reload. There's another one here. You need to reload, Moko-chan. You need to reload. 1 second. You need to reload. That's why I said you need to reload. Okay, now I couldn't see it, and then I could see everything. What is he doing there? Okay, I'm gonna floundering. Knife. Whoa! Oh, what did you do? Oh my gosh! I see. Okay, she's still around. I'm gonna. What are you gonna? What? She doesn't have a weapon. Moko-chan, they're coming through the window. Okay. Out the door. I'm gonna. Oh, he has a bomb! What? Quickly! From behind! Moko-chan! I used a grenade. I don't know how to use it yet. I think we should use a grenade, Moko-chan. Maybe. Wait. Watch out! It tossed it. It didn't work. Didn't work. Obvious. You're gonna take responsibility, right? Yeah. This is oddly relaxing. Ruffians, we are fighting for our lives here. Right. Oh gosh, I stepped on him. If he gets us... Did he just say I'm cute? I'm cute. Is he trapped? What? I'm regrouping, okay? I'm not running away, I'm just regrouping, okay? Where'd you come from? Oh, now go! Oh no! Do it at the feet! No! Get the sock on and start using it! No! I missed! Shoot him! Shoot! Oh no! Okay, he felt that one. He felt that one too. And maybe this next one. Okay, now it's time to do. He's done. He's done. Disarmed. reload it. Yeah! Reload it with a sneeze. She's not here anymore. They cleaned up the cows and everything too. Wait! What's this? Wait! Oh my god! It's nothing! Did I get him? Try again! Did I get him? I don't know. I got him! Reload. Well, Ruffians, I think that's where we're gonna leave our bookmark for today. Thank you! Thank you so much, Ruffians,